Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your WooCommerce store if you keep getting the critical error. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. If you're using WordPress just like me, go to wordpress.com right here, and from there it's going to open up this main page. From here we can get started with accessing our plugins at the left side of the screen where we have our WooCommerce plugins. So now what we can do is follow this article right here, how to fix the critical error in WordPress and with your WooCommerce store. So basically guys, what can cause this may be a damaged SEO, some lost revenue, reduced user trust, and so on. This can all go ahead and be because of your critical errors that can prevent users from accessing your website. So what you want to do is regular backups, timely updates, and so on. Now we have to identify the source of the critical error. You're going to turn on debug mode in WordPress by adding code to your wp config file. This is going to show hidden errors that can help you understand the problem. All of that is going to be available right here in your tools and appearance. You're going to have your editor that you're going to go and be able to use for adding code to your website. From there you can get started checking your error logs, enabling WordPress debugging, and using diagnostic tools to go ahead and find the root cause of the error. So what I suggest is to go ahead and find this article or a similar article and follow it first step by step and find all the info that you need right here in the site editor and in the settings of your WooCommerce store. You're going to go and be able to find the plugin section, and that's how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.